Now our product is a wireless pressure transmitter, and then we can see that its current signal channel is 11. That is, its associated RTU number is 11, and its current group number is 224. That is, the product number is 224. We can write down some information about it first. We can see that it's in the state of no communication. Now we need to associate it with an RTU number 6 and set the product number to 127. Let's operate next. First, press W1 to enter the parameter setting interface, and then we can see that it has 01, 02 numbers, which correspond to raised functions in our menu. We only need to pay attention to the first 04, which is to modify the channel number, that is the code of the RTU on the panel, and the 07 is to modify its group number and the number. We only need to modify these two functions. Finally, 99 sets the parameter to 1111 and save the data. Then we enter the setting interface. Press W2 for 04 function. Because it's hexadecimal, we will change it to 0006 channel number. The next step is to change the group number and the number. We will change it to 127. Press W1 to move left. The first two digits represent the group number and the last two digits represent the number. Then press 99 to save the data. Change to 3333 to 1111. And it will restart once. We will see that the current group number and the number has become 127. Then we will wait a moment, and its channel number will become 6. Okay, you can see that the channel number has been changed to 6. You see, now it can communicate with the RTU with channel 6, and it has a signal state